Our first stop along the Oregon coast in search of tide pools is Haystack Rock in Canon Beach, Oregon. The tide had gone out and it gave us a great chance to view the marine life in the tide pools here at Haystack Rock. Low tide reveals a wild abundance of tide pool life. Here we see some barnacles, some anemones, and some sea stars. The rich and varied tide pools take a beating with every tide change, but they still thrive. Walk slowly and look carefully as you explore the wonders of the tide pools here on Canon Beach at Haystack Rock. To help preserve the tide pools, step on bare rock rather than on living organisms when possible. Don't trample on plants or walk in the tide pools. Excessive handling of organisms, picking up of organisms, or overturning rocks can cause damage to the tide pool marine life. Here we have some other inhabitants of the tide pools, crabs. Haystack Rock in Canon Beach is a great place to view tide pools. Walk carefully when you step out into the tide pools. The rocks are slippery and it's easy to take a fall. Here our grandkids are exploring the tide pool. It's a great place to teach the wonders of nature here at the tide pool.